Hi, today I just received the brush sets from AliExpress and I just received all together. So before I use that, I would like to show you how can I use it, and then just generally I will introduce one by one, and then each set will be reviewed separate video. And this one is a Weigel the brushes. The price is US$ about $3 for 9 brush sets, but the comment was really nice. Generally, this thin brushes are just made in the nylon, and then that is very cheap. 10 is about within $1, but that one is a little bit the Weigel, the natural brushes, so the quality is the comments, all the comments are very nice. So I was very curious about this brushes, how it work. That size is very similar with Kolinsky Sable, that size 6. I will just compare in a separate ticket for this full brush sets. And this one is Art Secret brushes. So something is natural. That one is 20 RQ. So size 1, I tried 20 RQ. That one is known as a natural, and that quality is very nice compared with the other series. And that one is Art Secret 65 RPY. That one is some people just say it is a mixed, and some people is artificial, and that is confused. So I'm confused that the brush is what is it. So I will just show it. And this one is also 22 RQ Art Secret. It is known as also some people say that one is natural, and some people say that is not natural. So I will just show it in a separate video. And this one is traveling sets, number 7 Sable, and this one is number 7 Squirrel, and size is a little bit different. The Sable is a little bit thicker, that one is smaller, and that one is Art Secret Round Sable, the 88 something. Yeah, I will just introduce in a separate video. And this one is the watercolor water brush sets, six sets, and 3 the flat, and the other 3 is a round one. So I will also introduce this one. I was so curious that quality, the price is even cheaper than one in local market, but yeah, I will show you how they work. Thank you.